Well, Steve, I think we're probably at the most exciting phase in the development and evolution of the company. We've traditionally been a research and development company, but right now we're finishing off that development and commercialising our two key core technologies. Both those technologies are addressing the spread of infection or reducing the spread of infection in medical facilities. We have a large piece of capital equipment that is a best practice solution to the remediation of clinical waste on site. And our second product range is a range of all-natural hand sanitisers and hard surface wipes that again stop the spread of infection in facilities. We're currently developing and commercialising cleaner, safer healthcare solutions, primarily addressing the spread of infection in medical facilities. Just in the last couple of weeks, we've finished off the development of our new Medimizer 240 SSS. That's just an unbelievably exciting achievement. We've been working on this for the last 2-3 years, and it's a new version, a larger version, higher capacity version of our Medimizer range, still with a reasonably small footprint, but now having pretty well quadrupled the capacity of our previous versions. And on the Sunny Wipes side, we've achieved the TGA registrations across both the wipes and the gels, and we're now undertaking clinical trials in medical institutions. So just an absolutely fantastic time to be on board with Medivac at the moment. Most specifically, we're getting very close to finalising the Sri Lankan deal. This is again the making of the company. The Sri Lankan government has given us an MOU for up to, or at least 25 Medimizers in the needy hospitals in Sri Lanka. We completed our final proposal at the end of February, and the feedback from the Sri Lankan government is they're now evaluating our proposal with their technical evaluation committee, and we're hopeful for feedback from that by the end of May. Similarly, on the Sunny Wipes, we're negotiating for one of our first contracts with the Sunny Wipes range, and that's quite close as well. Look, over the next 12 months, we're going to be very much concentrating on ramping up and our manufacturing and assembly of the Medimizer, securing the Sri Lankan deal, rolling that out into that country, as well as securing some local installations. We've got a large pipeline of other opportunities, but the initial focus is going to be on Sri Lanka, and on the Sunny Wipe side on securing distribution, finishing off our trials through the professional hospital channel, or professional medical channel. The next 2 years it's going to be rolling out into world markets. Obviously we want a base of business in Australia, but we really think that our solutions are targeted to worldwide markets, and despite the high Australian dollar, we think we'll have 80 to 90% of our revenue offshore on longer term. That will involve appointing additional distributors and partners around the world, but we seem to have more demand for the Medimizer, particularly from offshore markets.
I think 90% of your...
Hang in there and invest. People can find out more about the company through the ASX. We're Monica MDV, and our website www.medivac.com.au.